Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading today. Market is down about 0.7% there. On the S&P Nasdaq 2.2%, semiconductor 1, Dow flat, Russell 2000, transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare. These guys are green today. Home builders down, utilities, retail also, emerging market up, gold, Bitcoin, gold, silver miners are up, dollar down, oil up, treasury bond up. VIX is down about 3% there. Let's do the S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed yesterday, and looks like we actually saw a down gap this morning, and that down gap was quickly filled on that first hour. We did find support on that micro-term moving average, and looks like on that second hour pop, that was a one last push from the buyers, as we've been talking about this week, that we're hitting that overbought zone. And the 388 or so, that's a resist, that's a pivot. I'm going to come back later, zoom out, and you see what I mean. Third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, sixth hour, we dripped lower all day long after the second hour move there. So we're slightly right on that micro-term moving average, little spinning top doji there. So if we don't find support here right away, first thing tomorrow morning, it looks like we might not have another support. That's the support that the first hour support right here. We might not have another support until 377. So let's zoom out here, and you can see that 388 level is a level. That's the pivot there, prior support, prior resistance here and there, right? Late September. And then we got to that level at 388. We're pulling back. So if we don't find support right away on that micro-term moving average tomorrow morning, it looks like next known support is 377. That's a prior resistance, right? This is where we did see that breakout after we've been kind of basing out for about a month or so. So holding up or holding this breakout level at 377, worst case scenario 371. I do have my short-term moving average residing at 374 along with my long-term moving average. So I think I'm going to give it the band of support right here, 377, 371. This is the level that bulls must hold if they want to keep this momentum going. Let's check out that oscillator. So as you can see, we've been talking about this oscillator overbought sentiment. As you can see here, this is the late August. That's a mid-September, right? And then we saw that in early October, and this is today. So you can see that oscillator is rolling over here, very similar to what we saw in early October and the mid-September. So again, this is very important level because for both bulls and bears, because obviously bears don't want to see any kind of support going forward. If you're a seller here, if you're looking for lower prices, you must break below 377, 371. However, my midterm moving average is currently residing at 367. That's probably the last resort for the bulls. Should there be any kind of steep decline going all the way to 367. But you do not want to give any kind of momentum for the bears. If you're a buyer here, if you're a bull here, you do not want to see the bears finding any kind of traction here, because last couple of times we saw 2 weeks of tankage, several days of tankage here, and you do not want to see that. So 377, 371 is gonna be the important level going forward. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening and go trading tomorrow.